Hello everyone, this is Jordan and today we're going to discuss Euro-dollar, which has a possible sell opportunity for us forming right here. And basically the whole idea starts from the 4-hour chart where the price has been moving inside this flag or channel or range. Now on the daily chart, you probably remember from our previous ideas that we're still trading inside the range, okay, and so on. But that at the moment is not that relevant, alright? This is why we're going to focus on the 4-hour chart levels here. And the first thing we should start discussing is the cycles, of course. So we have this kind of movement inside of it, inside this bullish trend. We already started getting the bearish divergence on the histogram. And this is the first time we got divergence here on the MAS as well. RSI starts to confirm multiple false breaks already happening, okay, and the big red line, which is actually two lines, comes from these two cycles, which basically means this is a very strong magnet level. Price action on the left side does confirm that. And the ideal situation for me would be to see one more push higher. The closer we get to this level, the better. This is where we have alternative trend line as well, the dashed line. And this probably is going to create another divergence on the 1-hour chart again. So that's basically my plan. Looking for sells either from here, or if we get the previous low broken already, we can start looking for the possible sell opportunities as well. Of course, to be more conservative, if scenario number 2 kicks in, basically this one, then you can apply, of course, different methods to decrease the risk. And if not, well, we're waiting for that zone. Invalidation level for this setup would be, of course, the breakout above the trend line and creating momentum. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, and of course if you have any questions, please post them below in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply.